Yes, good evening, Philippines, afternoon, UAE. I need to go to the hospital to see my cardiology doctor today. But first, I need to pass by to get my salary so that I can have money to pay my medical check-up. Okay, I bring my result in the center last Sunday and the referral from GP doctor or my cardiology doctor because they're asking me the referral from the GP doctor before I'm gonna see my cardiology doctor today. My appointment is already night time because my employer went to work. He just arrived now, that's why only now I need to go out. I can go out to go to the hospital in Yas Healthcare, backside of Dusitani Hotel. Bye guys, I need to pass by to get money. I can have money to pay my medical check-up and medicine. Bye, this is WTC or Trade Center Abu Dhabi.